Joe from Fulshire has a question about door repair.
No, he's got a rotten problem. Just look.
Right down. Ew.
That is a rotten problem.
Yeah.
He says the door is hard to open in the summer, and the home.
Yeah, no kidding.
The home is only 7 years old. He said, would you recommend we repair it, adjust it, or just knock the whole house down and rebuild? No, he didn't say that part.
I'd get a new door and do casing, and I'd do the whole thing. I don't know how deep it is, but that's a very
and I would think
severe problem.
Repairing this would just be more.
Well, to repair it, you replace it all.
Right, but I'm saying the door already doesn't work.
I know.
So,
I think the whole unit probably is just never going to be the way it needs to be. But if you go to Door Clearance Center and just get a whole brand new unit and install it properly, make sure the flashing and everything is properly done, maybe a fiberglass door.
I was just thinking the same thing.
You're just going to be in better shape. So I don't want you to spend $100 to try to save $5. It doesn't make sense.
Now, his door is painted, but if he gets a fiberglass door and wants a wood look, you use that with gel stuff?
Well, there's gel coats that we just, in fact, Rudy just did my front door, stripped it down and redid my fiberglass door with gel coat. Every time I come home, I smile.
He's easily amused.
I love it.
Right. And we're easily entertained with your questions, especially when you send them to us. Use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like that, just like these videos over here. And by the way, subscribe to our channel, click the bell.
Ding.
We'll ring yours when we post a new one.